Hello and welcome to the In Solidum Lawyers channel, where law is not just a set of rules, but a tool to transform organizations. Today, we're diving into a topic that should be front and center in every boardroom: compliance. Let's get right into it. 10 years ago, talking about compliance in Ecuador was almost exclusive to large multinational corporations. Today, in 2025, it's no longer optional. It's a critical necessity for any company that wants to survive and thrive in an increasingly demanding regulatory environment. Current regulations in Ecuador, especially following reforms to the Criminal Code, COIP, the Organic Law on Public Enterprises, the LOPDP, and resolutions from SRI, UAFE, Superintendencias, and the Ministry of Labor require organizations to establish models for legal and reputational risk prevention, management, and control. At the international level, we're aligned with frameworks like ISO 37301 and the OECD Guidelines for Responsible Business Conduct, as treaties such as the United Nations Convention Against Corruption. So, yes, compliance is not a trend, it's survival, and in this video, we're going to break down why. Compliance is a system that enables a company to operate ethically, legally, and responsibly. It's not just about avoiding fines, it's about preventing misconduct, protecting your reputation, and earning the trust of clients, investors, and regulators. In 2025, with stricter regulations on personal data, tax transparency, public procurement, anti-corruption practices, and sustainability, compliance is no longer a corporate luxury, it's a legal lifeline. And take note, in Ecuador, recent case law shows that failing to implement a prevention system can lead to criminal liability for legal entities. That's how serious this is. Think of a table with four legs: risk assessment, identifying vulnerabilities in your organization, bribery, money laundering, conflicts of interest, etc. Clear policies and procedures, from codes of conduct to whistleblower protocols. Ongoing training. A policy manual is useless if no one knows what it says. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Compliance isn't a photo, it's a live video feed. And in 2025, one key factor is digital transformation. Modern compliance programs now integrate AI tools, traceability software, and digital document management systems. Three words: risk, fines, shutdown. And we're not exaggerating. You could face administrative and criminal penalties, lose contracts with the government or international investors, be excluded from bids due to lack of certifications, or even suffer irreversible reputational damage online and in the media. But it's not all doom and gloom. Companies that implement compliance models in Ecuador can benefit from reduced criminal liability, improved risk profiles with financial institutions, and enhanced reputation and competitive positioning. In short, if your business is operating without a compliance system, it's sailing without a map, without radar, and straight into a storm. At In Solidum Lawyers, we help you design, implement, and strengthen your compliance framework, fully aligned with Ecuadorian and international standards. Don't wait for an inspection or a reputational crisis. The best time to build your compliance model was yesterday. The second best time today. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, subscribe, leave us your questions, share it with your colleagues, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our legal content of high strategic value. See you in the next episode.